Okay, so our next topic is single linked list and double linked list. So in order to use this single linked list and double linked list, first of all we need to include stdc++11 standard in our program. So basically to include this we need to go to tools. If you're using dev C++, you need to go to tools, then compiler option, and inside compiler option, just here you need to write minus std equals to c plus plus 11 and then click on OK. So we need this in order to use this forward list and list templates and many more templates. So basically what is forward list? Forward list is nothing but it's a single linked list, and this list is doubly linked list. So in order to include single linked list, we need to write hashtag include forward list has include list. So forward list, then data type L1 equals to 10 20 30. So what it means? It means that we have created a linked list having 10, 20 and 30, where 10 is the head and 30 is the tail, and next address beside 30 is null. Okay, so we have created a linked list. This is a single linked list. Now in this the functions are like push front. Push front means the moment we write L1 dot push front, the result will be like 5, 10, 20 and 30. Now L1 dot pop front will be the value which is in the front of a linked list will be popped out. Popped out means will be removed out. Okay, next is forward list L2. I have created another single linked list, and L2 dot assign 2, 5. This is another method to create a linked list by using assign function. So this also create a linked list of size 2, that is 2 and 5, where 2 is the head and 5 is the tail and 5 is pointing to null. Okay, so as we have seen in vectors, we are using iterator to iterate the element. So similarly, as we know that the forward list and list are the containers, so we'll be using iterator to traverse the element inside the container. Okay, so I'm using forward list scope resolution operator iterator it. You can also use auto it. This auto it and this forward list iterator it, they both are same. Now there are some more methods in forward list, and if we will be using doubly linked list, in doubly linked list also we'll be finding same methods. Okay, so the first method is L1 dot reverse. L1 dot reverse, that will be doing reverse of the elements inside L1. So the output of L1 dot reverse will be like 30, then 20, then 10. It will reverse the entire linked list. L1 dot sort. L1 dot sort, it will sort the list. So the output will be 10, 20, 30. Now L1 dot merge L2. So you'll be finding many more problems like merge two linked list, merge two sorted linked list and all. So by using templates it will be easy, but before applying it you must know the working behind those problems. Okay, so L1 dot merge, it's like initially L1 is having 10, 20, 30 and L2 is 2, 5. So after that, after merging, after writing this, we'll be getting a linked list having 5 elements, that is 10, 20, 30, 2 and 5. Now our linked list will be 10, 20, 30, 2 and 5. So after writing L1 dot merge L2, this 10, 20, 30 and 2, 5 will be in L1. Okay, will be in L1. Next is L1 dot clear. L1 dot clear, it means it will clear, it will remove all the elements inside list, forward list. L1 dot size, it will return how many elements are there. After applying L1 dot clear, now the size turned to 0. Now this is the way by which we can traverse the linked list using iterator. So it L1 dot begin, it not equals to L1 dot end. I've already said this, discussed about begin and end in vector. If you have not watched that video, just check it out. So dot begin, it's like address of first position of the element of the container, and L1 dot end is the last position near it. So suppose this is the linked list 10 20 32 5. So the last position is 5. So the address after this 5 will be the L1 dot end, not doubly linked list. So all the thing which we have learned in singly linked list are there in doubly linked list, but inside doubly linked list there are two more methods, that is pushback and popback. This singly linked list is one directional, it is forward directional iterator we can say, and doubly linked list bidirectional, means both we can go forward backward. It's a doubly linked list. As name suggests, doubly linked list means bidirectional. So there are two more methods, that is pushback and popback. It has insert and erase. In singly linked list there are insert after and erase after. So here is the end of this video. So if you have any doubt, you can comment me. Stay tuned, stay safe, and I'll be uploading next video on container adapter. So bye friends, thank you.